Hello, this is Practiceit exercise 3.8 quadratic. The problem reads, write a method called quadratic that solves quadratic equations and prints their roots. Recall that a quadratic equation is a polynomial equation in terms of a variable x of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. The formula for solving a quadratic equation is x equals minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And here are some example equations and their roots. You guys can take a look at that. And your method should accept the coefficients a, b, and c as parameters and should print the roots of their equation. And you may assume that the equation has two real roots, though mathematically this is not always the case. Also, there should be two roots, one the result of the addition, the other result of the subtraction, and print the root resulting from the addition first. Okay, so this is pretty much based on math. So first we'll start by writing our method. So public void quadratic, and then we're gonna have int a, int b, and int c, right? And then the first value that we're gonna have is just in case our root is a double value, we're gonna have double, and then to represent our first root, we're just gonna write r1 to abbreviate root 1. And then we're just going to type out the formula pretty much. So our first root, we'll just make it the result of the addition. So we'll say minus b, then plus, and then square root. So that's going to be math.sqrt. And then b times b, same thing as b squared. And then minus 4 times a times c. And then we'll wrap that all in parentheses, and we'll divide that all by 2 times a, right? Okay, so that's the result of our first root. And then for our second one, we'll just copy and paste this like that, and then we'll switch this to r2, and then we'll switch this to minus, so that this is the result of our minus. Okay, and after that, now that we have the equation or the formula for calculating both of our roots, we're just going to print them out. Okay, so the output should be in this format, so we can just say system.out.println first root equals, and then we can just concatenate r1, and then just copy and paste that again, just to make things faster. And then this is going to be our second root, and then we'll just say r2, and then let's run it. Yep, all our test cases are passed, meaning this code is correct. That wraps it up for this problem, and we'll see you next time.